Okay, guys, welcome to the next episode in English language. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a crazy Lary. Let's get into it. Okay guys, first of all, my English language is not so good, so it's not gonna be perfect. I'm trying to show you my tips. It's just my way, how I did it. If you find a better way for this trick, of course it's gonna be good. It's also a good way. Don't listen to me if you find another way, okay? First of all guys, what you need to know about this trick, your tire pressure on the back, definitely. Right now I have 2.5, and trust me, it's really easy. Second thing for that trick, so I need to tell you that on this trick there is no any handbrake, there is no front brake. Always when I'm gonna do the crazy Lary, I'm using always my foot brake, and that's all. There is no front brake, okay? This trick is really easy for almost every bike, because you can do it on the Harley, you can do it on the sport bike, you can do it on the dirt bike. I recommend you to buy some crash cage, buy some crash pads for your motorbike. If you are trying to learn this trick, there is a really big possibility that you're gonna fall on the left side. You need to invest on the crash pad, you need to invest maybe on your crash cage. Now I'm gonna show you how it works on the motorbike. Okay, let's get into it. Okay guys, so first of all, when you want to do a drift, when you want to do a crazy Lary, definitely you need to check out the Brian 636 video how to drift any motorbike, because there is so many different tips for this trick. I'm gonna show you from my way, from my perspective, how it works. Okay, first of all, you need to go straight. You need to learn something like U-turn without any gas, without any front brake. Remember that. You pull the clutch and then you're gonna press your foot brake, okay? It's going to be something like that. Look, you need to do something like that, okay? Once again, look, you need to do something like, okay? Something like that. After, I don't know, maybe a few hours, it's gonna be a bit easier, and that's all. Okay, that's your first step, and I think it's really easy. Also, really important thing, what I didn't tell you is that it's really easy to learn drift on the rain. Okay, if you have something like slippery asphalt, slippery ground, second step, when you do the U-turn, you need to do something like that. You're going straight, you're gonna do a U-turn, and then release your clutch, work a little bit with your right hand, okay? You need to put a little bit gas. It's gonna be really hard for the first moment. Okay, once again. It's just something like small drift. It's hard to explain, but it's kind of a balance between the right side and the left side. The last thing, what you need to do, it's easy to say, I know that. You need to do something like U-turn, release your clutch, and then you're gonna operate only your gas. It's gonna be just like drifting. I don't know how to say it correctly. You're gonna see on the video. I'm going to do something like 180, 360, it's just like drift, and your handlebar is going to the right side. Okay, let me show you. I'm trying to do a lot of throttle because you need to lose your grip. It's really important that you need to lose your grip. It's better way to do too much gas and fall off on the left side than do something like too less throttle and fall off on the right side, because it's really dangerous, okay? It's really important right now. If you do too much gas, it's gonna be like that. If you're gonna be too easy with your right hand, it's gonna be like that. It's definitely the easiest trick for every bike. I'm going to show you a little bit more. Okay guys, so that's it. That's all from me. This trick is definitely the easiest trick which you can learn. It's really easy to do on almost every motorbike. You don't need to buy any stand bike. Just remember about your tire pressure on the back. It's really easy to do this trick, as I told you, on higher pressure. 2.5, maybe even 3 bar. On PSI it's gonna be like that. The second important thing is your sprocket. It's really easy to do this trick on 65. Of course, if you have 50, 45 or just stock sprocket, it's also possible to learn this trick. Third thing is that your grind. It's definitely easier way when you're going to learn this trick on something like slipper asphalt or something like that, okay? Remember about crash cage, about crash pads. There is no freaking front brake, okay? It's only your foot brake, your clutch and your throttle. The last thing is that, guys, you need to lose your grip, control your throttle, because you need to just control your throttle and stay on the drift, okay? And yeah, that's all. That's how it works. Guys, it's me, QPA, aka Jacob, QPA 636. How stupid it sounds. See you on the next episode. See you on the next episode. Thanks for watching. See ya.